Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to make a group chat in Character.ai. For this, open any web browser. After opening the web browser, search for Character.ai in the search bar, and then the dashboard will appear in front of you. After logging in, before logging in, you can't use any characters on this website. Today, we will learn how to create a group in Character.ai. To do this, look for a button on the left side of the screen labeled Create and click on it. After clicking, a small format will start opening in front of you. Once the small format is open, here you will see three options. The first one is Create a Character, the second one is Create a Room. This option is for today's video. Just click on it. After clicking, a new section will open in front of you. In this new section, you need to give the name of your room. Just type anything right here after typing the name. The second requirement is to add characters in this room. You can select 2 or more than 2 characters, but we will select only one because it's enough to create a chatbot. First, we will select only 2 characters. After that, the next requirement is the room topic, but this is optional. We will not use this topic. Just click on Create. It's located at the bottom right side of the screen. After clicking, a room will start creating. Once your room is created in front of you, you can see that was the way to create a room in Character.ai.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like it.